Namaste and a very warm welcome to everyone. My name is Krishna, and today I'm honored to present a comprehensive study under the Environmental Awareness series. In this presentation, we will explore the critical intersections of global environmental governance and grassroots action. We will dissect the historic Paris Agreement of 2015 and look at how its massive global goals are being translated into real life changing results right here in Jamnagar, Gujarat, by the Green Community Initiative of the Chaitanya Charitable Trust. Let us first fly across the world to Paris, France. In December 2015, at the UN Climate Change Conference, or COP21, world leaders realized that climate change was moving faster than our solutions. To stop this global crisis, 196 parties came together to sign a legally binding treaty known as the Paris Agreement. This agreement marked a major shift in phase 4 of global environmental history, bringing the entire world under one single unified goal to fight climate change together. Now, what exactly does the Paris Agreement demand? Its primary and most urgent objective is to limit global warming to well below 2 degrees Celsius and preferably down to 1.5 degrees Celsius compared to pre industrial levels. To achieve this, countries must hit global peaking of greenhouse gas emissions as soon as possible. The treaty relies on three core pillars. First, nationally determined contributions, where every nation pledges its own emission targets. Second, climate finance, which ensures developed countries financial support developing nations. And third, a regular global stocktake to track our collective progress for future generations. As a leading global voice, India has played a phenomenal role in fulfilling these targets. India has committed to achieving 500 gigawatts of non fossil fuel energy capacity and meeting half of its energy requirements from renewable energy. This directly satisfies Sustainable Development Goal 13, which is climate action. By aggressively shifting towards solar power and ecological conservation, India is proving that economic growth can walk hand in hand with environmental responsibility. But, ladies and gentlemen, global policies on paper cannot cool the planet unless we act on the ground. This brings us to our local heroes, Green Community, a dedicated environmental wing of the Chaitanya Charitable Trust based right here in Jamnagar. Driven by the powerful philosophy of One World, Green World, this trust works relentlessly to tackle climate change locally. Inspired by Gandhinagar's incredible 54% green cover, Chaitanya Trust has taken a strict vow to raise the green tree canopy of our local towns and villages to at least 50%. Let us look at two of their primary initiatives. Our first focus area is the Eco Bricks Workshop, a cornerstone of the Trust Plastic Free campaign. Today, plastic pollution is destroying our soils and oceans. Did you know millions of plastic bottles are generated every single minute? And most are never recycled? To solve this, Chaitanya Trust conducts wonderful awareness workshops in local schools, communities, and even public trains. They teach ordinary citizens to take clean, dry, single use plastics and pack them tightly into empty plastic bottles to create dense, solid blocks called eco bricks. The environmental benefits of this method are truly spectacular. By trapping loose wrappers, multi layer plastics, and packets inside these bottles, the trust prevents toxic materials from burning in the open air or washing into landfills. Thousands of students have turned into eco warriors, collecting waste and transforming it into useful building materials for eco benches and modular structures. This is a perfect example of a circular economy at the grassroots level. So, our second major highlight is the 500 tree plantation drive, where the trust deploys the highly advanced Japanese Miyawaki method. Traditional plantations take up to 30 years to grow, but the Miyawaki technique creates self sustaining forests 10 times faster and 30 times denser. By meticulously preparing the soil with organic nutrients and planting multi layered native species very close together, the trust is creating thriving, compact forests in urban plots and villages like Matwa. Because these miniature forests use native trees, they require zero chemical fertilizers and achieve a phenomenal survival rate. These dense green pockets act as natural carbon sinks, rapidly absorbing carbon dioxide and directly lowering city temperatures, which beautifully fills the core objective of the Paris Agreement. Furthermore, they have revived local biodiversity, giving a safe home back to native bird populations and insects. When we connect these dots, we realize that localized actions like making an eco brick, or planting a Miyawaki forest are the exact tools required to combat global warming. They protect the timeless, enduring balance of our natural world. In conclusion, always remember environmental protection is not just the responsibility of international organizations or governments.